Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Commander Jeep. First, ensure you are familiar with all the controls, including the ignition, gear shifter, and pedal layout. Take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors for maximum visibility and comfort. Understanding the four-wheel drive system is crucial for various terrains. Always check your surroundings before engaging the engine. This preparation ensures a safe and confident start to your journey. To begin, insert the key and turn it to the on position, allowing the vehicle's systems to power up. Then, turn the key further to start the engine. Once the engine is running, press the brake pedal and shift into drive for forward movement or reverse for backing up. Release the parking brake and gently press the accelerator pedal to begin moving. Smooth, controlled inputs are key for a comfortable ride. The Commander Jeep offers robust four-wheel drive capabilities. To engage it, locate the selector switch or lever, typically near the gear shifter. You can choose between four-wheel drive high for slippery roads or light off-roading, and four-wheel drive low for more extreme conditions like steep inclines or deep mud. Remember to engage four-wheel drive low only when the vehicle is stationary, and the transmission is in neutral for proper engagement. For advanced driving, always maintain a safe following distance, particularly when navigating uneven or challenging terrain. Anticipate turns and brake smoothly to ensure stability and control. When descending steep hills, use engine braking by shifting into a lower gear. Practice defensive driving techniques, staying aware of your surroundings and potential hazards. These tips will help you confidently handle your Commander Jeep in diverse environments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.